Welcome back to the Digital Wealth Unlocked channel. Today, we're diving into a critical aspect of digital marketing consulting and services provided by digital marketing agencies. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, businesses are constantly seeking expertise to navigate the complexities. This is where digital marketing agencies step in. First, let's understand the role of digital marketing agencies. Digital marketing agencies assess a company's unique needs, goals, and challenges, and then design tailored strategies to maximize online presence, reach, and engagement. Now, let's delve into the services these agencies offer. Search engine optimization. SEO ensures your website appears at the top of search results, driving organic traffic. Social media management. They handle your social media presence, engaging with your audience and promoting your brand. Pay-per-click advertising. PPC campaigns can get your message in front of the right people at the right time. Content marketing. Content is king. Agencies create valuable content to engage and inform your audience. The consulting process. Consulting is a crucial part of this journey. Digital marketing agencies dig deep into data, identifying what works and what needs improvement. They craft data-driven strategies that keep you on the path to success. Benefits of collaborating with a digital marketing agency. So, why should you consider partnering with a digital marketing agency? Access to experts. You tap into a team of experts with diverse skills and knowledge. Focus on core business. You can concentrate on what you do best while the agency handles your online presence. Cost effective. It's often more cost-effective than hiring and training an in-house team. Adaptation to trends. Agencies stay updated with industry trends, keeping your strategies current. In conclusion, digital marketing agencies provide the expertise, services, and consulting needed to thrive in the digital landscape. If you're ready to elevate your online presence and achieve your business goals, consulting with a digital marketing agency might be your key to success. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about the benefits of consulting and services in digital marketing, be sure to reach out to us or subscribe for more insights from the Digital Wealth Unlocked channel.